It's a great blessing to the people of West Shillong Constituency, wherein 80 womenfolk had received a sewing machine each from the MLA of the area, Mohendro Rapsang, on the 22nd of October 2022, at a function held at the Hindu Mission Lower Mawprem, Shillong. Altogether, 350 women had benefited from the scheme and had been able to earn their own livelihood. Depimo Kars Imyong, a beneficiary of the same, expressed her gratitude to the MLA for enabling her set up shop at Maulai Nonglum so she can stand at her own feet.
Por panglayo ya kakoru ala so kemen hadu kata-kata namar nakan ni kakor om tambang nga laban aji kai ki ye ki khana ndre ki khana ru ki onong nakatuka kor namar ki laban kamai namar ni pendal kambi ya katuka kor ti ka kawi ka jing ka banga kerpa ya phi ki long kame ki sa khana samla ki help samla ba ya kan ni kakor ai bakanเป็นกำไมจากพวกEPอ้อมตั้งบำเพ็ญเชียร์บุกตัวเห็นไรไอ้เราประกันเป็นกำไมจากพวกEPนังนิชขมันนำมาในอินอีเวอีกอร์กลับเป็นกลาชักกีสัมภาวตลีกีกอร์นักสัมภาวตลีกลับเป็นกลาชักกีชิสปาตลีที่ระดีบางอย่างเราลับเป็นลองกุมตาพิรุพิลับเป็นลองกุมตา
While addressing the gathering, the MLA of West Shillong Constituency, Mohendro Rapsang, said that he is hopeful that the help rendered by him through the MLA scheme would be a blessing to all the beneficiaries in the area.
And all our friends who have come together to witness this machine distributions to all the beneficiaries in my locality. In fact, this is not the first time for giving this machine. I think this is the final year of my term as an MLA, 5 years term as an MLA giving these machines. The idea of giving these machines to the people is that they will utilize them, and from these machines they can earn their livelihood.